Ripped-up road is creating a lot of problems for neighbors in the town of Clay. Many of them have gotten stuck in the gravel, and they worry emergency vehicles would not be able to make it in either. News Channel 9's Daryl Kirkland Morgan tonight has one of your stories.
There were days when there wasn't any access to that road.
Just getting to her front door has become a huge headache for Frida Weeks, the Ibis Path homeowner, one of many fed up with the nearby construction project.
We've had cars stuck in the stones that have had to be dug out. There were times we went out last night and we were afraid we weren't going to get back in.
For the last 8 weeks, the town has been tearing up the road to put in new porous pavement that will help with drainage problems. One of the only ways in for people who live on the cul-de-sac is this gravel-filled road, but many get stuck in the stones.
My biggest concern was, the health and safety, right? I wasn't sure, knowing, once the rain started, if any emergency vehicles were going to be able to get here in the cul-de-sac.
Chris Fulham is forced to park on a street behind his house when his car can't make it in.
We have a right to expect a reasonable egress to our houses. I think that's a responsibility that the town, really should have taken a little bit more notice of before they granted approval to do this project.
We'll be very grateful that homes will not have flooded basements because of the special drainage they're putting in, but at the same time, we need better communication from our leaders in our community.
The town supervisor asks for people's patience as crews finish their work. These frustrated homeowners hoping to return to a smooth drive soon. In Liverpool, Daryl Kirkland Morgan, News Channel 9.
The town supervisor says a public hearing was held on the project last year. The street is set to be paved tomorrow, which means the project could wrap up sooner than expected. Got a question for our Your Stories team? We'll try to answer it for you. Give us a call anytime at 446-9900 or email us at yourstories@localsyr.com.